What's up, folks? It's your boy Sneaker Junkie here to give you another quick tip and tricks tutorial on how to cop sneakers. So this particular episode or webisode or whatever you want to call it, this is going to be dedicated to trying to cop on the Nike sneaker app. Okay, there's three things I want to go over. There's a setting on your app that you should have enabled, right? There's another, you can say, I wouldn't say it's an app. There's another web page I want you to have open running in the background, and then there's another trick I want to show you on the sneaker app. Okay, and the sneaker app, it's all about being not just quick but spooky quick. I call it spooky quick because you got to be spooky quick. There's times where I'm like, whoo, your boy was spooky quick. I know I got it, and I cop. And there's other times I'm like, man, I was quick, but I want spooky, and then sure enough, I ain't cop. Okay, so always, again, I like to put this disclaimer out there that just because I'm showing you tips and tricks that I use, this does not guarantee you're gonna cop 100% of the time. That's just the way it is in this game, okay? But if you implement these methods, I guarantee you're definitely gonna cop. So without further ado, let your boy get into it. All right. So let me open up the sneaker app. Okay. On this sneaker app, there is a setting called Touch ID, right? And this Touch ID, this is a setting you want to make sure you have enabled. Okay, so as you already know in your sneaker app, you already have to set up your shoe size, right? Your shipping address, your payment, and all that. And with this Touch ID, you want to make sure this is set because when you go to cop, you can literally check out in a matter of seconds by just using your fingerprint, right? So I got an iPhone, so I use my thumbprint, left-hand thumbprint. On my Android, the sensor is on the back, so I use my left index finger, right? But no matter where the sensor is located, you want to make sure the Touch ID is enabled. Why is that? Here it is. If you notice when you go to check out, you got to select your shoe size on some of them. But then when they ask for your payment information, they ask for the 3-digit security code, which is located on back of your debit or credit card, whichever one you use, right? While you're wasting time inputting the 3-digit code, somebody has already got their shoes in the basket, got their shoes in the cart, right? Because it's just super quicker, if that's a word, super quicker. It's super quick, spooky quick to have your fingerprint do all that for you, okay? So while you may memorize that 3-digit security pin, while you may be a fast texter or typer on your phone, that's great. But I guarantee you the person who has their Touch ID enabled, they're already checking out the same size as you and they're ready to grow, okay? So this is a setting that you must have enabled called the Touch ID, right? Moving on to the second part I want to give you. There is a website called onlinestopwatch.com, right? I love this website because, shoes for the most part drop at 7 a.m. So what I usually do, I toggle back and forth between the sneaker app and this webpage. Why is that? Because instead of me guessing when 7 o'clock is going to drop, instead of me looking at the clock on my car or a clock on my desk at work, right? I can actually see the seconds. And what I do, I count in my head. So at 6:59 and 55 seconds, I'm going 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. I'm doing that in my head. So when I'm back on the sneaker app, I'm already knowing in my head mentally, okay, this thing is about to drop, right? And I got to be not just quick, I got to be spooky quick, okay? So I recommend having this open in the background and toggling back and forth before that 7 o'clock hour, so you know exactly down to the seconds when that button is going to go live. Okay, so this is onlinestopwatch.com. Okay, moving along. The third and final thing I want to give you is this. We're gonna go back to the sneaker app, right? So see here, click on the shoes. Obviously, these are the shoes we want to get tomorrow. See where it says "Notify Me" up here. This is the top of the page, right? That notify me, and then there's another notify me down here. The second notify me is where you can see different angles of the shoes, right? From my experience and from what I noticed, this notify me down here turns quicker than this notify me up here. Again, this could be me, this could be mental, but I've just noticed that when I look at this, my iPhone, I'll have it on this particular notify me. Then I'll look at my Android. I'll have it on the top notify me. I noticed this notify me down here. Obviously, when the shoes are dropped, it says, coming soon. This one turns to the dollar amount quicker than the top one. Now, it's not like you'll notice it, but I'm just a geek. I'm a technician. I'm an IT guy, so I notice the little things. Okay, so this is a trick I want to give you. Don't focus on this top when it's obviously says notify me now, but usually when the shoes drop, it'll say coming soon. Don't focus on this top one. Go down here to again where you can see multiple angles of the shoe. Focus on this one because this one turns, it's like a split second faster. But again, everything on the sneaker app is about being what? Not quick, but spooky quick. Okay? So there it is, folks. It's your boy Sneaker Junkie. I just wanted to give you 3 quick tips and trick on how to cop on a sneaker app, how to be spooky quick on a sneaker app. Just to recap, 1, make sure that Touch ID is enabled. I don't care how many phones you're using. I use it on 2. And on both of my phones, Touch ID is enabled because it's all about being spooky quick on the sneaker app. 2, go to that online stopwatch.com and know in your head down to the seconds when the clock is going to strike 7. Okay, you just got to toggle back and forth. And I said usually at 6:59 and 55 seconds, I'm back on the sneaker app counting down 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. You see what I'm saying? These little things help you with reflexes and all that. Okay, and last but not least, that notify me. Focus on not the top notify me, not this one up here. Focus on the second one here. Again, it's the notify me or the coming soon when the shoes drop, where you can see different angles of the shoe. Again, it's your boy Sneaker Junkie. Just want to give you another quick tips and tricks on how to cop on a Nike sneaker app. You guys, if you like this video, please like, please share, please subscribe. I'm trying to build this YouTube channel. I'm trying to put out very good content that's going to help people like myself, sneakerheads or resellers or whatever. I just want to put out good content. There's content out there, but some people really don't go into depth. So I want to make sure my content's a little different. I want to make sure I go into depth so that you can cop. So if you have any questions, concerns, please feel free to put those down in the comments. Also, those who are pretty successful on a Nike sneaker app, man, share your tips and tricks in the comments below as well. It's your boy Sneaker Junkie. Until the next video, y'all be blessed. Later.